Hi, in this video we will show you how to enhance large architectural surfaces using the new features in the AI Enhancer. We start our workflow in Enscape, where we click the AI Enhancer button. We wait for the render, and we upload to the Chaos Cloud. Once the upload is complete, we click View in Cloud. Once we're in Chaos Cloud, we automatically prepare masks for you, and from there you can click Edit, and once it's done, the AI Enhancer button will become available. All the masks are going to be highlighted for you, and we are building on top of the already established foundations of advanced controls, where we allowed human and vegetation enhancements. Now the AI automatically detects large surfaces like floors, walls, facades, and others, and once you click on them, you will get contextual options. If you have already created some object enhancements, they will be listed here. Any enhancement that comes from the original upload of the XR is marked as original. Any new enhancements are shown above. So once we click Create New, we will have our new controls with a creativity slider, which affects how much the surface will be changed, and modifiers, which affect how the surface will be changed. Then we click Enhance. The surface is put on the right hand side in the Object Enhancements tab, and this is a parallel process that we can enhance multiple large surfaces at the same time. Our default enhancement is your safe bet, and we recommend using it. It breaks up repetitive textures, adds contextual detail, and aims to remove that CG look. Once we have enhanced the surfaces, we mark them with a blue dot, and they're shown on the right hand side. You can pick and choose any number of enhancements and do any number of enhancements per object or large surface. And once you're happy with the end result, you can bake and save the whole image as a new version. Once the saving is complete, you should click Compare. And then you can see in detail how we have enhanced these new surfaces. We add contextual detail while keeping to the artist's original intent. We upscale the texture, and we add like small indented objects like rocks and debris to make your storytelling that much more powerful. The large surfaces also work on interiors. As you can see here, we have prepared an image that we have already enhanced, so we'll jump straight to the comparison. Here we have added contextual details to this sofa, like wrinkled fabric, and we made it feel a bit more lived in. We are happy to announce that we will be expanding the options provided for large surfaces, and we'll add new options for objects like the tables and the chairs in the future. You can start using the Enhancer today, link below.